Good afternoon and welcome to another vlog. Today I have come to Roadster for installing steering cover for my pre-owned Ritz. This time also I have given my trust to Autoform brand, who makes very good seat covers, then steering covers. So this time I purchased it at 800 rupees, 100 rupees more than my previous purchase, and I have entrusted Roadster to install it. So the installer is installing this particular steering cover. So let him install it and I will update how it looks after installing. So it's complete. You can see how it's looking. Absolutely like a new steering wheel almost. So that's the installation of steering wheel cover. So the steering cover has been fitted successfully, and you can see that how easy the grip is, and it's so nicely fitted. So I should definitely recommend to install a good steering cover. Don't go for those half covers. So if you have liked this video, please do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much and goodbye.